Roadside Assistance Fort Macleod. Stranded in Fort Macleod, Alberta? Whether you're stuck on Highway 2, locked out near the Fort Museum of the Northwest Mounted Police, or need a battery boost along 24th Street, 587 Roadside Assistance is already nearby and ready to help. We're not a big-name app or distant dispatch. We're your local Lethbridge-based roadside crew, trusted across southern Alberta towns like Fort Macleod. No travel fees, quick response times, and drivers who know Fort Macleod's streets, highways, and rural routes like the back of their hand. We provide 24/7 roadside assistance services tailored to Fort Macleod drivers, including tire change, car lockout, battery boost, fuel delivery, and more. When your car lets you down, don't waste time Googling roadside assistance near me. Just call 587 Roadside Assistance, the name your neighbors already trust. Call now, 587 800 1312. Visit www.587roadsideassistance.com/Lethbridge/Fort Macleod. Real local help right when you need it in Fort Macleod, Alberta.